Okay, so on dishwashers, just to let you know about a feature which is available on most brands, but not everyone's aware of it. On a standard integrated dishwasher, when you open the door, because the decor door is quite long, on some occasions, as it goes down, it will catch on the plinth and the door doesn't want to open fully. And the solution to that has always been to cut a piece out of the plinth, which you don't really see, but you know, it's around a water product. You've obviously cut the sealed edge. There's always that risk of damp getting in. So yeah, that is a normal integrated product. Most manufacturers now have this option. This has the sliding door or a vario hinge door. So when you open the dishwasher, as you open it, the decor door actually slides up on the appliance door, meaning you don't have any overhang to go onto the plinth. It basically slides forward to clear the plinth, and then when you close, the door drops back down so it can close properly. This means no cutting of the plinth, no problems in that area, and sometimes it just means that you get a cleaner line to the kitchen.